this is a pink and black with a white background, cotton fabric. It has birds on it. I'm guessing cockatiels or some exotic type bird on it. It is 54 inches wide. The birds are about 8 inches long and 5 inches wide. The repeat is 7 inches, and this would be a one-way directional fabric. It drapes really nice. You could use it for many things. It would be great for upholstery. It would be great for pillows, valances. Let's see, you could, I personally, if I was going to do a pillow, you could take one of the peacocks and make your pillows and then border it with something else. Or you could do a bag with it. It's quite heavyweight. This is the close-up here. This is the back. It moves really well, if you see. It is a closeout, and we do swatches.